Welcome back to Mauni's Kitchen. So today we're making potato wedges plus homemade pizza, which is much healthier than the pizza that you order outside. And we have company over. We have my dearest Sneha. So we are going to be getting hello. Hi. So you will be getting an honest review at the end of this vlog on how my food really tastes. Okay, so I'm just gonna begin because we are a little starting a bit later than scheduled originally.
Should we preheat first?
Oh yes, thank you. Sankalp, you're learning.
Yeah, I watched the vlogs again.
350 as usual, and I usually like to start with what takes the most time to make so that I can use that baking time to prep something else. Okay, so first we're starting with appetizers, which is, well, there's just one appetizer, not giving Sneha much choice. Chasing the tinal sinde tanu. So I started mincing my garlic. We do have garlic powder as well, but I prefer using fresh ingredients at all times. You will see like half of our refrigerator is just vegetables or fruits. So I've minced my garlic, which is just like cut it super short. If you have a food processor, use that. But this is what is going to make our potatoes super delicious. We start with the potato wedge. I don't have time to, you know, like soak them in cold water or whatever. So I'm just getting right into it. Half centimeter, about half centimeter. And I keep the peel on because we want the fiber and the nutrition. So I just wash the potato really well and then I wipe them clean. Inni chala manaki muggurki.
Naakade chalu.
Mottam meeku kaadu. Should I add another
enough
one?
pizza.
Enough kada? Because pizza kuda untadi. Okay. This is our garlic. Fresh garlic. Olive oil. Sorry, I don't know why that happened. Okay, salt. Because potatoes take a lot of salt, so we are adding a little. Takku aithe malli eskochu. Garlic powder koncham. White pepper. Taste anusaram.
Abbo. Anusaram evvaru annaru.
It's Hindi mein you say taste anusar. So I thought in Telugu also that word is. Swad anusar. See? Okay, Italian seasoning, which is just like dried herbs. If you don't have this, just use oregano, whatever you have. Ido okati. And nenu idi kuda istanu. Kasturi methi, I put a little bit.
What is it?
Kasturi methi.
Why is it written kasuri then?
Kasuri. I say kasuri. I don't know. It's
Kasturi.
out of habit. I say kasturi. And honey istunam.
You add honey?
Yes.
Why?
అది మంచిగా ఇదైతే రోస్ట్ అయితే and then that sweet and spicy taste వస్తుంది అందుకే and then just marinate it how you would marinate anything అన్ని కలిపేసి you'll see that మనకి ఇది seasoning కొంచెం తక్కువైంది. So this is my baking sheet. This is my parchment paper from making sweet potato chips, so I want to reuse this and not waste it and get a new one. So first Advaitki konni petteddamu. Lay them out flat, and the more like spaced out they are, the more crispier they'll be and the faster they cook and steam avavu. Spice kosam we're adding chili flakes. Sneha, do you eat spicy food?
Yeah.
Like you have a good spice tolerance?
Yeah, not bad. I love spicy actually.
Paprika lekapothe just add chili powder. Adi color manchiga vastadi.
కొంచెం పసుపు కూడా వేయొచ్చు.
పసుపు కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు, బట్ నేను వేయను ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు, బట్ వేసుకోవచ్చు. దిస్ సైడ్ ఇస్ అవర్ బ్యాచ్. Man, this is our main delicious masala.
దాంట్లో అన్నం వేసుకొని తింటే బాగుంటుంది.
యా ఇట్లా కూడా తినేయచ్చు. చికెన్లో వేసుకోవచ్చు, పన్నీర్లో వేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ మసాలాలు నోట్లో నీళ్ళు వస్తుంది.
What are you doing with it too? You're eating Vicky? Okay.
So ఇది 30 to 40 minutes లో అయిపోవాలి. We're starting with the pizza dough, the base of the dough.
What's this?
It's just instant yeast. It's what's used in breads and you know when you make like pita bread or shawarma bread or gyro bread, whatever. దానికి ఇది రైస్ అవ్వడానికి యూజ్ చేస్తాము. So I usually use 1 packet. I'll mix it in a cup of lukewarm కన్నా తక్కువ వామ్ వాటర్. అది ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలో తెలియదు నాకు. lukewarm కన్నా కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉండే వేడి వాటర్లో ఇది కలుపుకొని ముందు. సో yeast is actually a healthy bacteria, right, that we use in our food and stuff. So this is ఇది side ki pettesi, we wait for this to bloom. Okay. So this just takes a few minutes since it's instant yeast, it only takes a little bit of time to bloom. All-purpose flour. You can also put in whole wheat flour as well for a whole wheat crust, which is atta. It depends on you. We prefer maida. So it's 1 cup, 2 cups, 2.5 cups. Okay. Koncham mista. Second cup, and then a little, ante. Two cups maida, like 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we add sugar. We add 2.5 teaspoons of sugar because we need the sugar for the yeast to combine and like act. You know how baking powder and baking soda usually salt is some for it to get activated, right, and do its work in the baking process. So yeast ki eppudu sugar istamu, which means every single slice of bread that you've ever had has sugar in it. Okay. And 3/4 teaspoon for salt for taste. Okay. Salt esam, sugar esamu, and so this is just the base, and దీంట్లో water, yeast and normal ఇంకా warm water వేసుకొని కలిపేసుకొని your dough will be done. 2 tablespoons of olive oil also. కానీ we like to season our bread a little more, crust ఇంకొంచెం flavorful గా చేయడానికి. So we add a little bit more of this Italian seasoning, the same thing I used in the potatoes. I will add a little bit of garlic powder because it gives that nice garlic bread sort of flavor, and koncham white pepper iskunta to spice it up. And this is all you will need, and 2 tablespoons of, sorry, that's 1.5, and then inte, like this is literally all the oil that is used in this recipe, and this is why I can guarantee that this is 100 times healthier than the pizzas that you have outside, because they use so much oil since they have to preserve the food longer. So manam fresh ga cheskuntunnamani. This is how our yeast water looks once the yeast has bloomed, and I will add that straight into this and mix our dough. Okay, so this is what our dough will be looking like at this stage. A little icky and sticky and you know, all of this. Kani, the main rising process is yet to happen. I will just line my bowl with olive oil on the sides so that it doesn't stick. You can just get another bowl as well. Because I don't want to do dishes, I'm using the same bowl again.
You mean Sankalp?
Sankalp doesn't, yeah, I don't want Sankalp to do the dishes. See, I'm so considerate. And I will just slap it for good luck. And deenni cover cheseyali. I don't have cling film today, so I'll just be using a regular grocery bag. Okay, so as I said, I don't have a cling wrap. So the regular mana grocery bag use chesesi. Put this away in the microwave for about 30 minutes and it will double.
30 minutes?
30 minutes or until it doubles in size.
Why did you say this before? What should I do for that long?
Okay, so mana veggies are prepped. We have bell peppers, red and yellow. Capsicum veyatli manam ivala because already 3-4 vegetables ayipinayi chalu anukuntunna. And I'm just adding jalapeno for the spice girls. The spicy girls here, Sankalp and Sneha. So I'm just keeping some jalapenos ready as well. Seeds pieces tip from Sneha so that it isn't too spicy for anyone. And by anyone I mean me, myself. These are our finished potato wedges. Konni sannaga chesam so avi tondaraga ayipinayi. The fatter ones took a little while. But it will slowly crisp up and become a little more brown once we leave it to cool. Yeah, that's it. Maybe half double kanna koncham takku ayinattundi. Inka avvachemo but maaku aakali estundi so mem tondaraga techesamu. Koncham aithe chalu anukuntunnanu. It's time for the taste test.
Good. I can't stop eating.
Good. You have to deflate it. Can you feel it? Is it like fluffy?
Yeah, I can.
Air unda, you
Yeah,
can feel the air.
Why do like all tasty things look weird first? Oh.
After him leave, yeah, we took it.
Guys, just want to reiterate that this is so damn good.
You don't have to eat it for to show. These split pieces may not.
Yeah.
And we'll do the veggie thing first. Are we ready?
Yeah.
So this is our first pizza
Okay.
that's happening. You have to put like little oil because it's gonna stick, right? So oil koncham esi, you make it flat like our pizza shape lo.
Okay.
Round undalani em ledu.
Okay. Ooh.
Ippudu idi spread this all over the base and poke holes into the thing. So this is our cheese that we're using today. We're using mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. Wow. We also have a little bit of shredded cheese. If anyone wants that extra loaded cheese sort of taste.
Tell me how much.
Then నేను ఇంత చేయను అసలు. Sneha is very diligent, like you know, మంచిగా like class topper లాగా చేస్తుంది.
శ్రద్ధగా చేస్తున్నాను ఏదో.
స్నేహ దోశ వేసినట్టు అటు ఇటు 4 స్పాట్స్ వేసి దాన్ని జస్ట్ జామ్.
It's a very messy ఇది అసలు ఏం సైన్స్ లేదు దీనికి. ఎట్లా అంటే అట్లా
నువ్వు పెయింటింగ్ చేసినట్టు చేస్తున్నావు.
She's an artist అందుకే తెలుసా.
అంత లేదులే.
Put some photo slide shows
పెడతా ఇక్కడ నేను మధ్యలో. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇలా పెయింటింగ్ లాగా చేయొచ్చు ఎట్లా ఆర్టిస్టిక్ గా అవుతుందో.
ఓకే is it enough?
అంతే. And now you will put your toppings. And ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయండి. ఇది కూడా so this is pizza number 1. So we're putting the veggie pizza in first. And this goes in for about 13 to 15 minutes depending on how crusty and crispy we want it. Anyway, so this is the second pizza that we're doing, the chicken pizza for the non-vegetarian lovers. And by popular demand, I've been asked to flip it in the air.
Mavni's Pizzeria.
Yeah, just so these people can see how it's done. I actually forgot how I did it last time. Good luck. I like extra veggies on mine.
Yeah.
And then the chicken, we're using the same bowl that we used for the potatoes. So dantlo leftover masalas, garlic and so ide vadestunna. I cut the chicken, like I asked uncle to cut the chicken into long thin strips. So this is the fresh moths for the chicken pizza, and yeah, this is it. This is going to go into the oven for 15 minutes because we want the chicken to be well cooked. Veggie di tondaraga తీసేసినా పర్లేదు, chicken మంచిగా cook అవ్వాలి. The entire house literally smells like that fresh bread smell. And now it's time to clean up the kitchen so that we're ready to eat in 15 minutes.
This is where Shankar comes in. that?
So this is my homemade dip dressing that I usually make for salads and stuff.
మా ఇంటి ముందు ఒక షవర్మా షాప్ ఉంటుంది. సేమ్
I know. ఇది shawarma కూడా చాలా బాగుంటది. Mushrooms, peppers, jalapenos ఉన్నాయి లోపల, fresh moths, and we garnish with baby spinach because basil lekunde. But we're going to cut into it soon, and Sneha will Sneha will tell us how good it tastes.
Okay.
Let's go. Honest, very honest review
Okay.
about how you feel it is.
Okay, I'm trying.
Okay, the moment of truth.
Oh my god! Nobody will say this is homemade.
Really? There you have it, folks. Honest review.
Everyone needs to try this. The crust is like so perfectly cooked.
ఏం చెప్పాలి ఇప్పుడు? స్క్రిప్ట్ ఏమని చెప్తే కదా మాకు.
Was it a successful one?
Yeah.
Yes. I
Yeah?
wouldn't say it was one of my best because I was a little disappointed in the sauce. అంటే ఇక్కడ కొత్తగా వచ్చాం కదా, సో అది సాస్ కొత్త ట్రై చేశాను, అంత బాగాలేకుండే.
Advaitu, did you like it? Did you have fun?
That's enough.
He's like, you didn't give me anything.
Like, share, subscribe, comment down below.
Hey.
Support my friends. They're doing a great job. Do comment down below what you guys want to see next, and these guys.
Sneha will cook and show.
I mean, I can help you guys, of course. No, not a problem.